Hey guys, this is Arcadum. We're back with another review. This time we've got the Escort Max 360C Mark II radar detector. Before we get started with the review, I'd like to thank Max Sources for sending us this product to review. Go ahead and check out their website, guys, for all the latest news and reviews in tech. Now, opening up the Escort Max, I'm gonna have a box inside of a box, looks like. Get this part open. And you see we've got a quick start guide, as well as the unit itself. Comes in a carrying case in case you're worried about thieves taking your device. You can take it inside with you and not using it. Beside that, we've got the unit itself, the Escort Max radar detector. You've got your power charger, but you can also charge your phone at the same time, so that's pretty useful. And you're also going to get the mounting bracket. We're going to take that mounting bracket, we're going to stick it to the center of our windshield, push that latch up to secure it in place. Next, that black box on the unit is a magnetic strip, and that's just going to sit right there on that bracket. And it's really secure. You don't have to worry about that thing coming off at all. Next, you're going to take your charger, plug that into your car, and plug the other end into the unit itself. Looks like a little telephone cord. Now the unit should power on by itself. If not, there is a power button on the top of the radar detector. Now, don't worry about that blinking on the screen. It is solid if you're looking at it in person. That's more the limitations on my camera. And here we just have another couple shots of the unit up close and plugged in and installed. Now that we're on to the driving portion of the video, you can see this device in use. It uses a couple different bands. The first is X band, which is rarely used. In fact, I haven't seen any indications that I was picking up any X bands on the radar. The next is the K band, which is used in police radar scanners. The KA bands are used more so now these days, which almost always indicates a police presence from what I'm told. The K bands in particular are used in collision detection systems in other cars, so you do get a lot of false detections with this radar, especially some of the newer vehicles as you're passing them by. One cool feature about this radar detector is you can ignore a signal, and this, as long as you leave it on auto, I'm pretty sure it will learn these different false signals and will ignore them in the future. So it kind of evolves over time. And I believe another one is just laser. If a police unit is flashing a laser at you, maybe on the side of the road. I just had one instance of this happening. This unit does get 50% more improved range over past devices, thanks in part to its Blackfin digital signal processing unit. And it does work with Wi-Fi, but only if your car is connected to Wi-Fi. You can't use your phone as a hotspot for that. For the most part, I went ahead and just drove with Bluetooth mode. Now, you are going to get a couple different sensitivities with the device. The first is auto mode, which is probably your best mode. It's a good balance between everything else that's offered. Another mode is highway, and that's your max frequency. So you're going to be getting all kinds of alerts with this thing. The other two are no X and no K. And personally, I just wouldn't turn those off. I'd rather be safe than sorry. You just never know when someone's using an older piece of equipment, so it's better just to be prepared. Another cool thing about the Escort Max radar detector is you can download the Drive Smarter app. This app doubles as a GPS device, so you can mount it to your dash if you choose so. I didn't, I just left it connected to Bluetooth. Some features that you can do with this thing is when you're connected to the GPS, it will show your current miles per hour and the speed limit. So if you've got a heavy foot, this may save you from a ticket. It'll let you know when you're traveling above the speed limit. This won't take into account any kind of road construction, so it's just limited to the maps itself. Also, I did get some notifications because of the Drive Smarter app of speed traps, and it actually alerted me about 1,700 feet before I arrived at that speed trap. So another good safety feature that'll help you maybe drive safer and avoid some speeding tickets. Also, when you're in the Drive Smarter app, you can change the settings on the Escort Max. These can be the different sensitivities. You can change the color of the display, and in my opinion, it's just a lot easier than using the shortcuts on the device to do so. So all in all, I enjoyed my time with this radar detector. I think I would recommend it to people who are more prone to getting tickets. Try to save yourself some money, and maybe throw it in your kid's car. If anything, it'll help them drive safer and be more aware of what's going on around them. This particular model retails anywhere from $500 to $700 online, and you can find them at bestbuy.com and escortradar.com if you're interested. And that's my take on the Escort Max 360C Mark II. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps out the channel out a lot, and all subscribers will be entered into a drawing to win future products that I've reviewed and possibly some past ones. So again, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.